Good morning, student. Today we are going to study goodwill. In class 12th, goodwill is very important topic for you because in partnership, goodwill is important as well as in company, goodwill is also important. But question arises, what is goodwill? My dear student, goodwill is a reputation, goodwill is a prestige, and goodwill is a assets. But before knowing this goodwill, I am going to tell about accounting standard 26. What is this accounting standard, my dear student? 26. In accounting standard 26, clearly mentioned that we will record only purchase goodwill. We will record purchase goodwill. Okay. We will record in the books of account purchase goodwill. We will not record self-generated. We will not record self-generated goodwill. We will not record self-generated goodwill. Why? So accounting standards say we will record only purchase goodwill. We will not record self-generated goodwill. So what is the purchase goodwill? I am going to give one example, my dear student. Purchase goodwill X Limited purchase, you can say that, took business of Z Limited. Okay, Z Limited. What is the meaning? It means X is going to purchase a business of Z Limited. In the Z Limited business, there is a assets and liabilities. Okay. For example, assets 5 lakh and liability is there 3 lakh. So what is the value of business? So they have make a consideration. Consideration means X and Y, both X and Z make a consideration. X and Z make a consideration price that business price is that 6 lakh rupees. Okay, 6 lakh rupees. That is called 6 lakh rupees. It means X is going to pay 6 lakh rupees to Z for taking over the business. So, what is the goodwill? First you calculate assets minus liability. Therefore, 5 lakh minus 3 lakh is equal to 2 lakh. It means this business is only for 2 lakh. But Mr. X is going to pay 6 lakhs for this business. So goodwill is equal to purchase consideration minus net assets is equal to 4 lakh rupees. My dear student, this is a goodwill. You can say that it is a purchase goodwill. So Mr. X in the books of X Limited, it will going to record. It recorded as assets account debited. What was the price of asset? 5 lakh. To liability 3 lakh. Amount paid to Z, that Z Limited 6 lakhs. Okay. So balance this balance arises in debit side, that is called 4 lakh. This balance is called goodwill. My dear student, this balancing figure is called goodwill. It is also called purchase goodwill. It is also called purchase goodwill. So, accounting standard 26 state that only purchase goodwill will be recorded in the books of account. Not self-generated goodwill is going to record in the books of account. Okay. So, it is a journal entry, my dear students. Assets account debited 5 lakhs and liability 3 lakhs and Z limited 6 lakhs. So Z limited is purchase consideration price is here. Okay. So come to the next topic. In partnership, goodwill is very important topic. In partnership, goodwill is very important topic. But in chapter 2, why it is we are going to study. In chapter 2, we are going to study valuation of goodwill. Valuation means calculation. Okay. There are 3 methods: first, second, third. The first method is that average profit method. Average profit method. Okay. Second, super profit method. Third, capitalization method. Okay. This average profit method comes under weighted average method. It is also another method, weighted average method. Okay. So total there are 4 methods, my dear students: average profit method, weighted average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. So what is the average profit method? How do we calculate goodwill with the average profit method? I am going to explain the first method. Average profit method, I am going to write AP. AP is equal to average profit method. Average profit method is equal to, first we calculate average profit. Okay. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of year. Okay. Simple. What will happen? Goodwill is equal to number of purchase year multiply average profit. Okay. Goodwill is equal to number of purchase year multiply average profit. So with the help of this formula, you can calculate goodwill of the firm. So goodwill of the firm is calculated on the basis of the profit. Okay. So come to the next, that is, I will going to explain this one, super profit method. Okay. In super profit method, we have to first calculate first normal profit. What is normal profit? Normal profit is equal to whatever the capital employed multiply normal rate of return upon 100. My dear student, it is a first step. We first calculate normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. After that, you calculate average profit. Average profit, if question is given, in the question is given, no problem, you calculate average profit. We already know total profit of the year means that from 2000, suppose example 2010 to 2015, this is the total profit of the following year. So you have to write total profit of the years upon number of years. Next step is that you calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay. Last, you calculate goodwill is equal to number of year purchase. Number of year purchase. Your purchase year is given in the question. Multiply purchase multiply super profit. Whatever the super profit calculated here, you just put it here and multiply purchase year, you got a goodwill. Okay. So my dear student, in this video we have studied two things. First is accounting standard 26. Okay. First, accounting standard 26 we have studied. In accounting standard 26, only purchase goodwill is recorded. And second thing, we have to know what is the calculation of the goodwill. There are three methods. The first method is average profit method. We have already studied. So in this year, the second method is super profit method. So it is a formula. You have to learn this formula. Okay. Thank you.